पुष्पवृक्षोत्तमहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
And I am Shri Sabnis. Both of us together host almost all the Zoom classes. And on behalf of our yoga family, I really want to thank Rekha for unconditional support for all my yoga activities. Thank you, Rekha.
Hello everyone, we are Manju and Anand Swarup. We have been hosting yoga classes at our home on Saturdays at 8:30 or 9 a.m. for the last few years. We also have hosted a few annual yoga day celebrations as well. This year we are going to miss that, and so hope everybody can join on May 31st to thank especially Guruji Shri Kanji for the wonderful work that he has been doing for the community. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaskar.
Kshama.
Nitin Shinde. We host Saturday mornings class at our house in Clarksburg.
And kids yoga class on Sunday as well.
Thanks to Sri Yoga.
Namaskar, myself Shekhar. I conduct yoga classes in Clarksburg with audio recording. Thank you, sir, and thank you, Shri Yoga, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaishali Popat. We hold Shri Yoga classes at my home on Tuesday evenings from 6:45 to 7:45 p.m. and on Saturday morning from 10 to 11 a.m. And we follow Shri Sabnis audio instructions along with our teachers Sunita and her daughter Gauri. And then we also end up doing some fun activities like yoga paint night, where these Clarksville yogis painted the posters that you can see behind me. And so here each one of us selected some quotes that we liked, and you can see it here. So thank you to Shri Sabnis for giving us an opportunity to have lots of fun as well as learn yoga. Thank you.
Vanakkam, I am Mari Muthusamy. I am attending classes in Vittal Home at Clarksburg, and sometimes I conduct classes with audio recording. And thank you, Guruji, for the opportunity and all the things you do for us. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Siley Shinde and I conduct kids yoga class on Sunday evenings in Clarksburg. Thank you, Shri Yoga, for this opportunity.
Namaskar. My name is Jay Shri Ravi Shankar.
My name is Shubha Prabhu.
I host 6:30 a.m. Saturday meditation class, and it alternates with Shubha's house.
And I host the 6:30 a.m. Sunday morning yoga class. And thank you, Shri, for the 3 C's.
Commitment, compassion, and consistency.
Happy
Shri Yoga 2020.
Hello, my name is Sunil Kolhekar. I've been attending yoga classes for the last 4 years. I'm the backup for Sunday morning class at Potomac location. Thank you.
Vanakkam Shri Yoga family. This is Bala and Om Priya. We host Shri Yoga class Tuesdays 7 to 8:30 p.m. at our house in Clarksburg. Shriji and his student Divya teach classes every week alternatively, and sometimes I teach with Sriji's audio. I also occasionally teach Sriji's audio class on Saturdays at Nitin's house and Mondays at Tumde's house. We are very proud to have hosted Sriji's first audio class and also the first virtual Zoom class at our house.
Thank you, Sriji, for inspiring us always. Thank you, Shri Yoga family.
Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Poonam Chimurkar. I conduct yoga sessions on Saturday morning from 9 to 10:30 a.m. in Ashburn, Virginia at my place. Yoga is not only a workout but also a work-in. It helps us reach our mind and body's full potential. It's great to practice yoga sessions in the group every Saturday. Thank you so much, Shri Yoga, for the wonderful opportunity. Namaste.
Namaste. This is Vittal Jungle.
This is Arya Jungle. This is Krishna Jungle. This is Ankita Jungle.
Hi everybody. So we do yoga twice a week in Clarksburg, Maryland. It is 90-minute yoga each session. Thursday 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and Sunday 10:40 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. First of all, thank you very much, Shri sir. We are very happy and blessed to have you, and we also feel very good about having our big yoga family. Each class sometimes reaches up to 35-40 members also, and we all are very happy. Special thanks to Shri sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Namaste. I'm Lalita Deshpande. I want to wish everybody a happy Shri Yoga Day. When we moved from Maryland about 3.5 years ago to Florida, one of the things I missed the most was being able to attend Shri Yoga class. Before we moved, I used to host the Wednesday morning class and have very fond, very nice memories of that. It was like a family. We all in the class, we were like a family, and the way Shrikant ji, his caring way of teaching yoga to everybody, it was extremely beneficial to all of us, especially to me, and I missed it terribly when I came to Florida. But out of this terrible pandemic, one nice thing that came out was now I'm able to attend the class via Zoom, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. I wish all of you the best. Stay safe, take care, and have a wonderful Shri Yoga Day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Divya, and I teach yoga on Wednesdays at 7 via Zoom.
That's my favorite asana, chakras, managing chakras, because it energizes my mind and helps me focus. So thank you, Guruji, for teaching us that.
Hello, my favorite asana is finger stand.
My favorite poses are butterfly and lock your hands in the back and touch the forehead to the ground.
Namaskar, myself Shekhar. I started Shri Yoga around 2 years back. It helped me physically and mentally. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your all help and blessing. Thanks.
Yoga class has helped our family a lot, especially the breathing exercise and the energy centers. We love it.
By doing yoga every day, we feel so energetic and positive. Thank you, Guruji, for your time and effort. You're so great.
Breathing and yoga during the shutdown have truly been a Jivan Aushadh for me.
Shri Guruji's lecture class helped me to stay healthy by doing breathing exercise and yoga. Thank you, Guruji.
Out of this terrible pandemic, one nice thing that came out was now I'm able to attend the class via Zoom, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly.
A lot of my friends have benefited from your yoga classes. Recently, my friend from Pakistan has joined as well, Uzma Wali, and she loves it.
The most noticeable benefit I got from doing yoga is inner peace.
Namaste. With Sri Yoga, we have very healthy life and lot of positive energy flowing around us. I feel that we have definitely added some more years in our life.
Namo Namo, O Guru Shri, you teach us so selflessly, with a kind heart and a constant smile. You made our souls feel free. The grounding you impart with your patient demeanor, we are all so grateful to you forever. You made us love yoga, you made us strong, brought this community together for the benefit of all. We thank you, O Guru Shri, with all our hearts, O Guru Shri. Namo Namo, O Guru Shri.
Namaste Kaka. Your compassion for yoga is inspiring.
Our Guruji is very humble and encouraging. Thank you.
You're dedicated and you're so inspirational to us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guruji is an example of selflessness and he is multi-talented.
Extremely dedicated, calm, brilliant,
Generous.
Selfless and inspirational.
Very generous, kind, he's dynamic, passionate and self-disciplined. Thank you.
Guru Shri is one of the most selflessly dedicated to the practice of yoga instructor or teacher, Guru, the most patient Guru I have ever met. So thank you, Guruji.
Commitment is a great way to describe Shriji. However, the best way to define him is as an engaged yoga teacher.
Also the patience and the attention you give to everyone, the kids also enjoy it. Thank you very much for all the things you do for all of us.
The way Shrikant ji, his caring way of teaching yoga to everybody, it was extremely beneficial to all of us, especially to me, and I missed it terribly when I came to Florida.
Shri is amazing person. By looking at Shri, we feel that there are still good people in the world. He is not just teaching us yoga, he is also teaching us way of better life and how to be a better person. Thank you very much, Shri.
Hello, Yoga Dada. It's amazing that you can remember each and every person who attends our class's name. That is awesome. Oh, hi, Yoga Dada. You're so great at teaching me stuff. So I can come to your house when Nakarama is there.
First, if you can get a hand through, and let go into 34, straight to your leg, and if you can get the head all the way down. And now try the firefly. So arms go through, and lift up. Alright. And Aditi, can you show the scorpion? Alright, it looks very easy, but very fun. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you, Aditi and Adya.